Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my lovely students. Today I am going to teach you English Marigold Class 1 Unit 9 Anandi's Rainbow. So students, get ready with your Marigold textbook and open the page number 103 Anandi's Rainbow. Dear students, today I am going to read and explain Anandi's Rainbow. So let's see in your textbook. Hope you enjoy this new story. So it was raining outside. Anandi was fast asleep, dreaming of rainbows. So what it was? It was raining. वहाँ क्या हो रहा था? बाहर बारिश हो रही थी. Anandi was fast asleep, dreaming of rainbows. So Anandi was sleeping and she dreams about the rainbows. वो किसके बारे में सोच रही थी? This rainbows. She woke up to look out of her window. Now आनंदी जब उठ के देखती है अपनी विंडो के बाहर, there was a huge bright rainbow across a clear blue sky. तो वहाँ पे क्या देखती है? एक ह्यूज यानी बिग, बड़ा सा, ब्राइट यानी चमकीला एक रेनबो देखती है. वो कहाँ पे? स्काई के अंदर एक बड़ा सा ब्राइट सा रेनबो देखती है. Anandi ran out to the garden with Millie, her favorite cat. Now Anandi went out his garden. Now look at this Anandi's garden and her favorite cat Millie. Look at this cat. This cat name is Millie. तो वो कहाँ जाती है? वो गार्डन में जाती है अपनी कैट के साथ. Now let's see the third paragraph. Anandi loved to draw and paint. आनंदी को क्या पसंद था? ड्रॉ करना एंड पेंट करना, उसमें कलर करना. टुडे शी वांटेड टू पेंट द फ्लावर्स ऑफ हर गार्डन. आज वो क्या करना चाहती है? अपने गार्डन के फ्लावर्स जो है ना, ये फ्लावर्स, उसको पेंट करना चाहती है. विद द कलर्स ऑफ द रेनबो. किससे? रेनबो के कलर से उसको पेंट करना चाहती है. शी कलर्ड वन फ्लावर विद द वायोलेट. तो उसने एक फ्लावर को कौन सा कलर किया? वायोलेट. एंड अनदर विद द इंडिगो. Indigo means a blue color, light blue color, that is called indigo of the rainbow, or that is in the rainbow. So Anandi color one flower with violet, एक flower को violet किया, and another with the indigo, और दूसरे flower को indigo यानी dark blue color of the rainbow. One with the blue, एक flower को blue किया, and leaves with the green color, and the leaves of the tree, leaves of the plant she colored with the green. And one with the orange, और एक flower को कौन सा color किया? Orange किया. So all these colors she has taken from this rainbow. Now turn the page. One with red, and one flower she has colored, that is the red color, but she left the yellow. Now what she has done? She left the yellow color so that the sun may look bright and gay. So for that that color she used in the sun, so that the sun may looks bright and gay. So it means happy. Gay means happy. Look at this sun, it looks happy. And lo, there were beautiful flowers. Now you can see the beautiful flowers all around her garden. The sun was up there shining in its yellow glory. Now the sun is also there and it's shine in its glory, in its yellow glory. Okay students, so it looks so beautiful. That Anandi's garden looks so beautiful. Now after giving colors to all the flowers and the sun, the rainbow was gone. Now all these flowers color is done, the rainbow disappear from there. So look at in this picture, you can't see the rainbow here because it is already gone. So Anandi is also so happy with her beautiful garden and her Millie cat. So Anandi used the 7 colors of the rainbow in her garden, and she colored all the flowers with the colors of the rainbow. Now students, our lesson is finished here. So you can see the rainbow with 7 colors. These 7 colors you have to learn the name of these 7 colors. Okay students, now let's see the new words. That is the bright, means filled with light, that is called bright. Favorite, whatever you like, that is called favorite. Indigo means dark blue color. Inside means inner side, and outside means outer side. The rainbow is a curved arc of 7 color in the sky, that is called rainbow. A rainbow has 7 colors. A rainbow has 7 colors. Now students, let's see the page number 105. Let's say aloud this word: face, field, fine, fly, food, back, ball, bat, beak, bot, lamp, leg, let, little, log, hat, have, her, house, hut. So these are words that you have to learn. Now turn the page 106. Now let's do the first activity. Look at the picture below. Circle the names of things that you can see in the picture. So whatever you see in the picture, that you have to circle. So you can see the umbrella. So circle the umbrella. Then puddle. So this is the puddle. So you can circle the puddle. Then raindrops. So raindrops also there. So circle the raindrops. Then house is also there. Circle the house. Cat is there. Boat is there. You can see the boat here. Mud is there. This is the mud. And sun is also there. So this is the sun. Okay. Now students, join the dots from A to J to see what you can create. So here you have to join the dots from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So you can create a butterfly here, A to Z. Okay. So do it properly with the color pencil. Now next page. Here in the given space you have to trace the rainbow and color it. So you have to trace this lines, and you have to color the rainbow like this. See here. So like that you have to use the color in that picture. Okay. Now you can trace the S, T, U and V. You have to trace these letters in your textbook. Now turn the page. Last page is here. Here we have to use am and have in the blanks. So let's do it first. I am. Write down am. I am white in color. Then I have. So I have 2 eyes. Then third one, I dash 4 legs and short tail. So I have. Then fourth one, I have wool on me. What am I? What am I? So you can write here am. So first one, am, have, and am. So what it is create here? I am a sheep. So what is this? This is a sheep. Now this sheep is ready here. Okay, so our textbook work is also finished here and explanation is also finished here. Okay students, this lesson is important. You can learn the exercise of this lesson. Now our so students, read this lesson at home and learn the new words. Okay, we will meet in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.